Here are 3 legitimate ways you can start making money online with Instagram. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I make content about affiliate marketing as well as the other ways of making money online. Don't forget to subscribe for more similar content. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Instagram. Instagram is one of the biggest social media websites out there. It gets over 6 billion to 7 billion visits every month. It is huge. And like any website as big as Instagram, there's always different ways of making money online. So in today's video, we're going to look at 3 different ways you can start making money online with Instagram. So number one is Instagram shoutouts, selling Instagram shoutouts. If you don't know what shoutouts is basically when you promote other people's Instagram account on your account, maybe by sharing a picture or a video from their account so that they can get some exposure and grow their own account. As you can see on Google, there are several websites that offer shoutouts for different prices, and if you go on Fiverr, you'll see that there are people making decent amount of money selling Instagram shoutouts. For example, as you can see here, Instagram shoutout for an interior page on Instagram with 400,000 followers for $15 for a shoutout. There's another one here for a gaming page for $10 a shoutout. You can see there's so many different people, so many different pages, selling shoutout $20 here for a fitness page with 120,000 followers. Now I know you must be saying, well, in order to be able to sell Instagram shoutouts, I will need a huge account with a huge following, right? Well, not exactly. I mean, the minimum amount of followers that you would need in order to be able to start selling Instagram shoutouts is usually around 10,000 followers. And there are different ways you can get there if you don't have even 10,000 followers on Instagram. You could grow an account from scratch using automation tools. There are a lot of different automation tools online that will grow your account almost passively in just a few weeks or a few months. If you worry about content, what type of content you can post, or you don't want to waste time creating content, you can find, for example, on Fiverr, there are so many people selling gigs where they already have pre-made Instagram templates or content for you that you can simply buy and then start posting. For example, if you look at this gig here, they have like 1,500 business infographics codes for Instagram. There are inspirational codes. You got like inspiration images codes. You've got stuff for business, real estate. You've got for weight loss. You've got for real estate. You've got some editable Canva templates from Instagram. So there are different niches that you can find already made templates or content of Fiverr. And if you can look around a little bit, you will find some in your desirable niche. For example, you have one here for forex trading. You've got already made content for credit repair, money and finance, inspirational codes. I've already said that. So there are different niches that you can find already made content for Instagram off of Fiverr, and you don't have to waste time creating content. That you could just buy some of those packages and start posting like 3 or 4 or 5 times a day on Instagram, and using an automation tool you could literally grow an account to 10,000 followers in just a matter of weeks, if not a few months only. Or if you don't want to create an account from scratch, you could simply just buy an Instagram account which already has like 10,000 followers, 15,000 followers, and and then start selling shoutouts from there. I mean, there are accounts that you can buy Instagram accounts for not really that expensive. I'm going to talk more about this later in this video. So method number 1 for making money online with Instagram is selling shoutouts. So method number 2 is selling Instagram marketing services. So if you're really good with Instagram, maybe it's your favorite social media platform, maybe you already spend a lot of time on that platform. I know maybe you already know how to grow on that platform. If you can allocate, let's say, about an hour a day on this, you could literally help other businesses or other people to grow their account. And there are people who make 4 figures, 5 figures a month managing other people's Instagram accounts. There are so many businesses today who who needs to have who need to have like an social media presence. You can't really grow your business if you don't have a social media presence nowadays. But a lot of those, business owners, they don't want to waste time growing a social media account. They would rather, outsource the whole thing to somebody else. And that's where you come in. If you're very good with Instagram and you know how to use the platform, you've used the platform for a little while, you could, provide your services and get paid. There are people getting paid like $5,000, $10,000 a month just to manage other people's Instagram account. You could go to a website called Upwork.com, where there are a lot of freelancers who come here to look for work, and a lot of clients who come here to post job opportunities for people. And if you type in Instagram, you'll see there's so many people providing Instagram services, Instagram marketing specialists, social media managers, so many people here providing different services related to social media. And you could just come in and provide such services for Instagram. And if you look up for Instagram related jobs on Upwork, you will see that there are over 7,000 Instagram freelancer jobs available on Upwork. So many clients are posting like job offers related to Instagram literally every 5 or 10 minutes in here. Social media marketing superstar for new clothing startup, social media manager, social media expert, social media marketing. So a lot of them, they're looking for freelancers that can manage their social media, especially their Instagram. So you can come in and apply for those jobs. You might not get the first few at first, but if you keep applying, eventually you will get a bunch of those jobs, and over time, you could literally be making like $3,000, $5,000 a month doing this if you remain consistent with this. So method number 2 is selling Instagram services. Method number 3 of making money online is flipping Instagram accounts. I came across this this article, a few weeks ago, and it was about this 23-year-old who's made over more than $100,000 buying and selling Instagram accounts, and he's made like a full-time living off of it. He's flipped over 1,000 pages already, and this is a way of making money that a lot of people don't really take advantage of. You could go to website like to fame.com, and you can find a bunch of Instagram pages, some of them sometimes really cheap, really undervalued, that you can really buy and then resell for a much higher price. A lot of people sometimes they've spent a little bit of time to grow those accounts, and then they don't want to manage it anymore. They are not interested in creating content for those accounts anymore, or maybe they've got other stuff going on in their life and they just can't manage it anymore. Sometimes they end up putting it for sale, and a lot of time those accounts ends up being very undervalued, and some people, sometimes they are in need of money very quickly, and they put out their account for really, really cheap. And if you can come in and buy one of those accounts and then resell it, you could make a huge profit off of reselling those accounts. There's tofame.com. There's also another one called fameswap.com, which where you can buy a lot of Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, YouTube accounts, but definitely a lot of Instagram accounts on sale in here. And there's also another website called player.com, where you can find a lot of Instagram accounts that you can buy for not that expensive, that you can grow and then resell it for like hundreds of dollars and make $200, $300, $500 profit. As you saw on this article, there's this 23-year-old made over $100,000 doing this, and if you can come in and do the same, you could make really, really decent amount of money buying and reselling Instagram accounts. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This was my 3 legitimate ways of really making money online with Instagram. There are a lot of people making money online using those 3 methods. It's all about taking action and doing it. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to give it a like. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe for more make money online type of content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.